Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything I have in my collection shelves in Heartopia, so you can upgrade your I don't remember what it's called. Hold on. You can upgrade your home evaluation score. So here's what I have on the shelves. First, I have the um painted eggs from the last Easter event. And then just have some trophies from the last event as well, like the uh winter event. And then I have these which I got from the cooking mastery and the gardening mastery. So I had to cook the grilled mushroom I don't remember how many times, but if you go to your collections, you can see how many times you have to cook or do something. It doesn't work for event foods. So for instance, like raspberry jam, I have to cook it 960 times to get the cooking mastery. And then I harvested the grapes a lot of times to get the mastery. Then on the right we have the like I don't know what it's ornaments from animal interactions. I need to do more of those every single day. It's just a lot to handle sometimes. And I also got these eggs from the last event, and then I put these special insects and fishes in these tanks. I do have another room because I want to get more points. I don't know how big of a difference this makes, but I did put my foods here on the tables, on the shelves. And then on this one, it's not completed yet. As you can see, I'm trying to put all the colors of the flowers and place it in one room. And I also place My Little Pony badges and the puzzles as well to hopefully um upgrade my home evaluation score. But yeah, that is it. If you wanted to get a higher home evaluation score, you can try to do that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!